In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step process of how to safely use a Sealey trolley jack to lift your vehicle. Start by making sure the vehicle is on a hard level surface. Switch the vehicle off and apply the handbrake. Put it in first gear or park if you have an automatic gearbox. Place wheel chocks on the wheel diagonally opposite to where you're lifting. This prevents any unexpected movement while the vehicle is off the ground. Before using your trolley jack, check for any signs of wear, damage or oil leaks. Make sure the jack is suitable for your vehicle's weight. This will be listed on the jack itself. Turn the release valve clockwise to make sure it's fully closed and ready to lift. Every vehicle has designated jacking points. These are usually reinforced sections along the side sills or chassis rails. Never lift the car from plastic trim or unsupported parts of the frame, as this can cause serious damage. Position the trolley jack so that the saddle sits squarely under the jacking point. The jack should be aligned straight with the vehicle to ensure a safe lift. Now slowly begin to pump the jack handle to raise the vehicle. Keep an eye on the saddle as it contacts the jacking point and adjust the position of the jack if necessary. Raise the car only as high as you need to work safely. And remember, never crawl under a car supported only by the jack. Once the vehicle is at the right height, slide a pair of axle stands underneath the proper support points. These will safely bear the weight of the car while you're working. Then slowly turn the jack release valve anti-clockwise to lower the vehicle gently onto the stands. When your job is done, reverse the process. Use the jack to lift the vehicle slightly. Remove the axle stands and then lower the vehicle slowly and smoothly back to the ground by turning the release valve. After use, wipe down the jack to keep it clean and free from debris. Store it in a dry, secure place to avoid rust or damage. A well-maintained trolley jack will last for years and always be ready when you need it.